Celestial Recordings presents PXO Future Flow Volume 2, Back to the Future.
In the concrete jungle, I'm from do or die, Bed-Stuy, Marcy Projects, I had to fight to survive. I went to Bed-Stuy Boxing Academy, like Mark Breland, Mike Tyson, family. I fell in love with the city streets, tucking the heat and ducking from the police. Parasites in the belly of the beast, the body of Babylon's peons just trying to eat. School of hard knocks, and I graduated. I'm glad I made it, cause I'm one of the greatest. Flow like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Code name PXO, real name Muhammad Ali, the Alpha and Omega.
Your boy PXO is back with hits like My Flow, featuring GQ, the Galaxxy Quuen, and your boy Odie with a Dream.
My flow, Malcolm X, black consciousness. My flow is so vain, overconfident. My flow is anointed like Christ, resurrect me. I spit so nice, I had to come twice.
Yeah, that's what's up. Your boy PXO, still reppin' Alienation on his track entitled UFO.
Tequila man, let's go. From the pyramids to Project Club to the dance floor. East, west, north, south, PXO, future flow. Outer space, UFO. I'm off that alien tequila man, let's go. You see, I ain't from around here, girl. I'm about to abduct you and take you to my world.
When I step up in the bitch, you know I'm fly. I know you coming from a place beyond the sky. I know you ain't from around here, boy. Let me show you how we do it, boy. You know, into it, boy.
Yeah, y'all don't even know what twirling is about. PXO Future Flow featuring my son, aka Reek, Havok, son, fire.
Back to the future timeline that I'm living in. And now the present is the past. So much cash, they said I'm spinning too fast. Swagger on 100,000 trillion. God body building, and I'm gonna make a billion. See, I don't even know what twirling is about. It's not only the new dance, it's about having clout. It's about having 20 racks whenever you go out to make it rain on them names and shut the whole club down. Twirling in your city.
Hey yo, this next one is a true story, man. It is what it is. You dig?
My baby, she shot me.
Bang, bang.
Right through the heart, she popped me.
Bang, bang.
Gangster of love, she got me.
Bang, bang.
Back to the future, featuring your girl Lionesse. Let's go.
We used to always go shopping, tearing up the mall and we ballin', we get it poppin'. Lately she hating me, she even called the cops and told them I was a threat, I might wanna watch him. His family's militant and Muslim. What happened to baby? I love you, you're my sugar plum. No more sex games, can't even get none. We used
Y'all gon' play this next one till you hate it. It's Back to the Good featuring your girl Lionesse.
Wanna get back to the good. I just wanna get back. Things that we like. Get it back. I just wanna get back to
It's all good, man.
Wanna get back
Come on.
good.
Since the day that I met you, you were good looking. It was all good like grandma's cooking. I started spending too much time in the kitchen. Serving on the block, she was home alone tripping. This ain't loving hip hop, shorty, why you riffing? She was at the beauty bar while I was at the Griffin. Longing for attention, but I didn't wanna listen. I was on my own mission, left her standing in the distance. And now I'm trying to get back. Honestly,
Yeah, PXO Future Flow, let go. This next one is called Zone, featuring your boy Ekoh. Listen, man.
For the hate, call it fly to the phoenix. I got him fiending for the moment that this verse is laid. But this is Ekoh, not Eminem, homie, get it straight. I'm stone sober with the voice to get you wild up. She's so high, she thinks we joined the Mile High Club. And I don't even know your girl, dog, we stealing them and flying over raps like this pen was filled up with helium.
Yeah. I am zoned, I'm outside of my body. I'm in this party, but I'm high above everybody. What's your name, shorty? Cause you leaving with me. Now tell security, escort you to the VIP. I'm with my homie Ekoh, missing cooking in the kitchen. Got something hot up in the pot, we serving all the fixins'. I stay gone, I'm still in the zone. After the club closed, we can still get it on.
Celestial Recordings presents PXO Future Flow Volume 2, Back to the Future, featuring Galaxxy Quuen, Odie with a Dream, Lionesse, Reek, Havok, and Ekoh. Available on iTunes, Indie Boom, and IamPhoenixOrion.com.